The feeling when you jump with your bike, it's just amazing. You know, you definitely feel free. My grandfather was a motocross rider, my father too, and I grew up on the motocross race, and even before I ride, I was watching the race and all that stuff, and it's pretty cool. My dad was behind me all my career, and that gave me a lot of help. Before I was very focused on competition and results, and now I'm more focused on doing stuff that nobody did before with a motorbike, and that's really the thing who gives me energy to do it and to enjoy it. It's like, for example, you know, when I ride on the snow on the Swiss Alps, nobody did that before. I'm very proud of that. And it's pretty cool because the story keeps going with Bosnia now, and I would definitely want to do something that nobody did before. The playground in Bosnia, it's just amazing. We saw a place that I never saw around the world, a place like this. It's just a kid's dream come true for me. It's very nice. Before that, I saw only some pictures, and that was a big pleasure for me to go on a place and to see how it is. Hello Bosnia-Herzegovina, it's Matt Rebo. Something big coming soon.